Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix Windows 404 page not found error on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. I will just share to you a very simple resolution for this. So in the Windows search bar, type here services. Click on it under the best match services. Now you have to simply scroll down to the W section. So let's scroll down as this are arranged in alphabetical order. And here we need to look for the web client service. Simply make a right click, select properties, startup type, change this to automatic, service status, click on start. Click on apply and you have to click on OK and simply close the services window. And after that, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So we're not going to dwell with more resolutions. Just by that simple resolution, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.